In 5 minutes, I'm going to go through every detail you need to know to make a perfect sponge cake. If your chiffon cake always cracks, sinks, or deflates like your bad-tempered ex, a Chinese sponge cake could be your ideal future partner who's sweet, soft, stable, reliable, and easy to deal with. I feel like I'm talking about myself. Now preheat your oven and let's start baking. Here we have butter and milk, or you can use plant milk, 3 large eggs, 80 to 100 grams of sugar, and 90 grams of cake flour, which is a low-protein flour. If you don't have it at home, you can mix regular flour with cornstarch at a ratio of 4:1. Then we line the bottom of a 6-inch cake pan with parchment paper. Crack 3 cool eggs into a large mixing bowl. They are cool on temperature, not on personality. You may wonder, aren't we supposed to use room temperature eggs? Yes, we are, if your room temperature is around 40 Celsius, and only if you could remember to take the eggs out from the fridge at least 2 hours in advance. A much easier solution is warming up the eggs over a bowl of hot water. Stir the eggs using a whisk to ensure even heating. Once the egg temperature reaches 40 Celsius, pour in all the sugar. Give it a quick stir to melt the sugar. Then set the egg mixture aside. Put the bowl with butter and milk in the hot water before the egg mixture cools down. Beat it with a hand mixer on high speed. You may remember that I used the freezing cold egg whites for making chiffon cake. So why are we using warm eggs for making sponge cake? As we've all learned in middle school, the fat and lactose in egg yolks can inhibit the forming of egg whites. Therefore, in order to whip whole eggs, we need to warm them up slightly to loosen the protein bonds. Then it will become much easier to beat air into the eggs. Pure egg whites are much easier to be whipped, so we don't need to warm them up. What's more, cold eggs can actually hold the air much more tightly. That's why I like to freeze the egg whites for 5 minutes before whipping. However, when we have to whip whole eggs, we have no choice but warming them up. Although the warm egg mixture is whipped, the air bubbles within them are very delicate. That's why a sponge cake requires a higher ratio of flour to support its structure compared to chiffon cake. Now that I have been whipping the eggs for more than 10 minutes, when the color of the egg mixture turns beige and there are streaks visible while beating, it's time to lift the mixer and check on the state. If the egg batter drips intermittently and the dripped egg mixture disappears immediately, continue beating until when you lift the mixers, the egg batter smoothly flows like a ribbon. Quickly sift in 1/3 of the cake flour. Gently fold the flour into the batter. Fold until there's no dry flour visible. Quickly sift in another 1/3 of the cake flour. Repeat until you have folded in all the flour. At this time, the butter should have been melted. Transfer 1/4 of the egg batter into the milk butter mixture. Gently mix them together. Then pour the buttermilk mixture on a spatula so that this mixture flows into the batter gently. Fold everything together, then transfer it to the lined baking pan. Different from making a chiffon cake, we do not need to drop the cake pan on the counter before sending it into the oven. We drop the chiffon cake pan to break big bubbles, and there's almost no big bubbles in a sponge cake batter. All the air bubbles are tiny and delicate. Please protect them at all costs. Bake at 320 degrees for 45 minutes. Then let it cool to room temperature on a cooling rack. Unmold the cake and appreciate how perfect it is. A sponge cake will almost never cracks or explodes in the oven. Even if you fail, you will just get a less fluffy and denser cake, which still tastes good and can still be used as a stable base for a layered cake. You can find the more detailed written down sponge cake and chiffon cake recipes on my website, missheandmrhe.com, or watch my boba tea cake video. Hope you enjoy your homemade cake as much as we do. This piece is for you.